Where are you going? Where are you going? You go roll over? Go roll over? You trying? You're going for it. Keep going. You can do it. You gonna do it? I see you thinking about it. You're trying. Whew. Get them wrinkles out your head. So we don't want no forehead wrinkles. No. Just say no. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, you're trying. You're trying, funny boy. You're trying. You're such a funny boy. Almost. Almost. Come on. Excuse you. Excuse you. We got a burpee baby. Uh-oh. You give up. You give up. Uh-oh, we're going down. Oh no. Oh no.